Hello you guys, I am back. It feels good to be back. It was a little bit weird. Oh, my computer updated with my viewfinder settings and I was like, is this on? They moved the timer to the top. Okay, this is different. But I just sat down and went with it. And I like to give y'all organic, so let's just... Okay, so here you go. I had to turn my exposure down just a little bit. But this does feel weird. I'm definitely not used to this. Sorry about the audio. I still have to figure out where I'm gonna put my mic. I think I'm just gonna get a desk prop for it and put it on the desk. Maybe. I don't know. I really don't know because it can't fit on this desk. I don't have any of my other, I threw out all of my furniture when I moved. I moved twice. I moved in March and then I moved in July. I'm getting married. And they have 90, let's see. We have 92 more days, you guys. 92. That's what I'm gonna wear. Just have to get it to alter a little bit. I'm short, and we got where we're gonna be get married. We probably found a place where we're gonna have a dinner because we're having a really small ceremony, only 19 people, and then the rest of my family gonna migrate to a restaurant for group dining. So that's the plan, and I'm excited, so excited. So yeah, let me know if you just want a life update video or do you want me to have my sister and fiance film with me, and my sister can ask us questions and we can try he likes cookies and I want to try fat weird cookies. So let me know. Today, I had to come back with a brow video because Benefit got something that's kind of it was I don't know about that, but I am on Benefit Club Pink, of course. I have been for I think 2 years. They actually I won this MacBook in one of the giveaways. I'm so grateful. I haven't peeked at this just to see what was in the box, but it is the GIMME Brow Plus Volumizing Pencil. I have 2 shades here and I love GIMME Brow. I love all their brow products except for the brow styler. I think that one kind of frustrated me, but I use their brow products all the time. But all the brow products I use are microscopic pencil ends. This is a big bulky pencil, so I'm kind of scared. We're gonna first impression it. So let's just go over the details for right now. It says big brow energy, turn on the brow volume, GIMME Brow Plus Volumizing Pencil is the first brow pencil with powder and fibers, easy full brows. We love that song. So it says, I don't need to read off the tinted gel. The tinted gel also have fibers in it. If you're not familiar with GIMME Brow, look, it's been around forever. I have something in my eye. Yeah, the gel's been around for a long time. Of course, this wouldn't be an original caylah video if I'm not scratching my nose. A volumizing fiber eyebrow pencil. This fiber and brow pencil adheres to the skin and hairs to volumize, fill, and define brows for a natural looking texture, fullness. Available in 12 longwear shades. I have to mention, if you have red hair, naturally ginger hair, and if it has the perfect brow pencil for it, I gotta get it for my best friend of 25 years. I need to get it for her. I keep forgetting. But okay, let's see. They sent me the shade 4 and 4.5. My hair, the light parts of what's left of the blonde. I need to wash my hair. So just ignore my little straight pieces that are coming to the front from the back. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try. Let's swatch them. So I'm gonna give you guys a up close look at them first. So of course it comes like this, and of course Benefit packaging is super cute. I'm not trying to mess it up. So okay, it's not as thick of a pencil as I thought. It's a little bit bigger than a colored pencil. So this is the shade. What shade is this? This is shade 4.5, which is a neutral deep brown. This is what I usually use. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, but yeah, this is it. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, but just caution, my skin looks horrible because I do have stress pimples because I was very stressed out last week planning this wedding. So just come on, okay. So I feel like this is a good personal space for you guys. So I'm terrified. I'm scared. Okay, so we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna start right here. I don't know why I do this every time I do a brow video. Bruh, I'm scared. Okay. Oh. Wait, you barely have to put any pressure. I barely did anything. Wait. Let me do that again. Y'all, I am barely pressing down. I think I'm trying to just go. Okay. Need some control. I wish this had a tip. See, it doesn't feel precise. I don't know. Let's just keep going. I like the texture. The texture is fire. Like, it feels different. It feels like I'm not even, like, it feels like it's just going across my skin. It's like, it doesn't feel like product's being laid down at all. I can see this working for someone with brows. As you can see, my brows are like sparse and they like don't fluff, they don't do anything whenever I let them grow. So I feel like this is really messy. Like, if you guys know me, like if you guys see how I do my brows, you'd be like, what are you doing, Caylah? Like, you can definitely not get a precise tail with this. Like, this, I can clean it up, but like I would prefer not to. I have something in my eye and it hurts a little bit. Okie dokie. I don't like this so far. Okay, like I cannot get my brow shape with this, like, at all. I don't even want to continue because I don't like the way this looks. Like, I can't. And like, I know certain eyebrow pencils are for certain people and some aren't. Benefit's usually good at making it like accessible for everybody. Like, I'm just not feeling this. I'm gonna clean it up to see. I'm just gonna do like a rough draft. But like, clean up sometimes can get smudgy. I don't like this. You guys, I really don't. And it like has a spoolie on it. The spoolie's always good. Make sure it's all full so I can give it. I'm going to try to clean this up. I'm just gonna do it really, like, just wipe it on there. But right now, the first impression is not too good. The pencil actually, you see how like it's really stiff, but it like applies pigment, which that's different. Like, I wish all pencil products was like that. I really suck at applying these pencil products. Like, I really can't do it. So I'm gonna clean this up and see how it does with some foundation. Got 3 hairs. Y'all, I don't know, but it's coming off on my, it's gonna be smudgy. I know it is, and I don't want to waste like product dabbing it off, you know. So I'm not using a cheap foundation. It's so smudgy, and I keep having to dab off the tip. All right, you'll definitely have to be, if you're like me and like a structured brow, which I love it, you'll definitely have to be precise with cleanup. Because like every time I try to use the edge of the brow pencil, okay, my allergies are starting to act up, so I'm gonna try to get through this. But what I was saying is like, you have to be super precise with trying to clean up your brow, and it's like, I feel like it'll be really tedious. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm sorry, I can't do this and talk at the same time or I'm gonna mess up. Okay, so I'm not saying the product looks bad. It doesn't. It definitely does not look bad. Like, it looks like a good brow. It's very textured. It's like, it does have that natural look to it. Application is not my favorite because the fact that basically the foundation around my eyebrow did the sculpting for me. And that's where my problem is, because I just, like, my eyebrows are already sculpted. They just need some help. So that's what I try to do. And yeah, sorry if you hear banging. Don't know what people are doing. People upstairs are loud. But yeah, I don't think it's an eyebrow hair. But yeah, like, it's not a bad product at all. The application really just throws me off. Sorry, I really just like my tails and my brows to be super sculpted because it just gives me so much personality. It does. I feel like it does. So let me live. Don't come for me. That's their dog. They have a husky. So yeah, and he's a puppy and he gallops. He doesn't just walk, he gallops. But is that so looks like freaking, oh, I don't know what that is. I'm like, looks so stupid. I thought there was like a spider web running, but there's not. But yeah, my eye, like, look at my eye, guys. Like, okay, I need to get these allergies under control. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'm not gonna do a reel because I don't feel like that would be genuine. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so both brows are done. This one gave me so much frustration. Okay, so I have an opinion. Sorry if you hear the air conditioner is hot. It's Florida. But I have an opinion. I don't think it's a bad product. Definitely don't think it's a bad product. I think that it's tailored to how you want to apply your brows and how you do your brows. If you have big bushy brows, I feel like this would be best for you. Like 100%. Like, as you see, my brows look fine. I have no problem with my brows and how they look. But it was a little bit hard to do my brows. I'm not gonna lie. I missed this spot. The product is good. I feel like the product's good. The pencil, like the formula, is like amazing. But I wish it came in a precisely my brow form. 100%. I think that's the only downfall of this. I like the product. I just wish it came in a precisely my brown form because that's what I'm used to, and that's like, I feel like if I use this every day I would get used to it, but I like how I do my brows now, so I really change it to use this pencil, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and for longevity, I don't think there's any claims that it stays long. Is there? Wait, there is. 12-hour long wear transfer proof, waterproof, natural looking brows. I wiped this off of my hand really easily, and I did let it sit, and it came off pretty easily. I'm not sure about my face because I'm not finna wipe off these brows because it just took me a little bit too long to do them. But yeah, it's not a, okay, my final opinion, the summary, is not a bad product, but I do not like the application because it's not what I'm used to. So it's really per your opinion. If you use this, please let me know how you like it, because I want to know all the tea. So yeah, I'm gonna film some more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.